The fuel prices is a skyrocket in Latin America. Just in Bolivia, last year, the gas prices is a doublet in 1 week. For Rafael, a last-mile rider working 12 hours a day in Peru, these prices can stop a living wage. Because the motorcycle take 50% of the earnings, and the only option is electric bike. But the bikes need 4 hours to charge and just work for 60 kilometers. So buy a new motorcycle for rider is 60% of annual interest right now in Latin America. Because the full draining earnings and the electric is not viable, the platforms lose more than 45% of riders every single month. This is a huge gap between demand and delivery workforce. We are Mobi. We design electric mobility infrastructure for last mile industry. We combine electric motorcycles, battery swapping, and embedded finance into a seamless subscription for increasing the performance of the platforms. The riders can deliver non-stop and increase their income in 60% every month. Let me show how it works. We designed a patented motorcycle specialized for delivery, and we manufacture it by third party in Asia for delivery and sent to the riders directly from local retailers and use a license to operate our product. So we install inside the dark stores, for example, Rappi, our infrastructure of energy and maintenance. Rafael can download the app and register in Rappi to pick up the motorcycle. He pays $45 per week directly to the earnings of the delivery work. Rafael don't worry more about maintenance, insurance, and fuel because our system can charge vehicles in seconds for 100 kilometers per swapping. Rafael now earns $30 a day with our product, and before Mobi, this same rider earned $14. We earn $80 for every rider in the streets after all costs. And we have 2 million of riders like Rafael in Latin America. A 4.3 billion opportunity to take, and we start in Bolivia, but we expand in Paraguay and Peru last year, signing a great partnership with Rappi, a biggest player in last mile sector, with 700K riders in all Latin America. So we don't just selling motorcycle, we create an entire system to change the life of the riders in last mile. And I am Ariel. I am second-time founder in mobility sector. My partner, Claudia, managing the marketing of the principal insurance company in Peru. Felix operate the biggest battery company in Bolivia. And Nicole designing products for global companies like Amazon and Meta. We have 50% of the total dark stores of Rappi in Peru right now. We have 100% retention in all Mobi riders. That is the reason of platforms love us. And all the stores with Mobi technology increase the orders attention in 2.5x. So Rappi decide install Mobi in 18 markets in the next years. We now earn $400K annually in revenue, 300% more than last year.